I thought my career switch to HR would be a complete roller coaster for me, but once I got in touch with Team Edred, it was just a piece of cake. Hi all, I am Sneha. I took up extensive HR course from Team Edred and now professionally certified in that. I thought my career switch to HR would be a complete roller coaster for me, but once I got in touch with Team Edred, it was just a piece of cake. Edred team provided unique training methodologies and helped me understand complete procedure of HR, what are the necessary trainings and concepts, and how can we groom ourselves to be a part by giving multiple mock sessions and providing personal interactions. I am a person who believe in being at the right place at the right time is important, but my guide, my mentor, along with Team Edred, taught me not just being at the right place at the right time, but also making a right choice is also important. Right apart from HR skills, I also improved my personal thinking ability skills, decision making skills, and few other personal concepts in the entire journey. Thank you.